Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Vanessa, this is Nessa CX Beauty, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing the brand new Natasha Denona Triochrome palette. This is the packaging. It goes from a purple to a blue. When you open her up, she features 15 shades and retails for $129, 3 Triochromes, and then 6 mattes. And then in terms of size comparison, she is a little bit larger than the middle palettes from Natasha Denona. But what I did realize last night is that she's around the same size as the Sunset palette. Now, yesterday I did put up a video of me eye swatching all of the shades, so if you're interested in seeing that, that's going to be up here right now, in case you wanted to see that before seeing the looks. But now I'm just going to head into the looks. So the first shade we're going to dig into is Scarab with my Morphe M401. And we are going to put her all over the crease and also swoop her out. This is a very pigmented green. And then we're going to head into Ion with a Morphe M507, and we are going to blend out Scrap. Now I'm just going to be doing the same process on this side, but I'm going to be using Manganese and Naga for this side, the two purples. And I'm just gonna cut the crease on both sides. Alright, so we are back and the creases are cut. For the green side, I'm gonna be digging into Scarab. And this is my Anastasia blending brush that comes with their palettes. Again, Scarab is a gold into yellow shift. And then for my purple side, I'm gonna head into Color Flip. And this is a mind-blowing shade, as we learned yesterday. It turns into a green, a dark purple, and a very dark, dark plum shade that almost looks black. That shade is probably the most unique shade out of this palette. It definitely is something that I didn't expect. And now that we have our eyes looking like this, I'm going to finish up my face and we're going to do the lower lash line together. Alright, so we are back for the lower lash line. We're going to head into Plutonium with my Morphe M507. And we're going to place this on the bottom of my green side because orange and green look bomb together. And then we're going to head into Androdite and place this on the inner third of the lower lash line into Plutonium. For the purple side, we're gonna head into tungsten and sweep that all across. Then head into Naga and put that on the inner third of our lower lash line. And y'all, this is the finished look using the Triochrome palette. We're gonna zoom in. We're gonna turn so you can see all of the shifts. So what do I think about this palette? I am actually genuinely surprised that I like it so much. Not gonna lie, I came into it kind of like worrisome that some of the mattes would not show up on my eyes, but I was proven wrong in my eye swatch video. Again, that is in the cards and it will also be linked down below, but that genuinely surprised me. Another thing is that the mattes are super pigmented. The multichromes are stunning. I do kind of wish that there were more multichromes. I understand that having 3 multichromes in the Trio palette makes sense because Tri is 3 and there's 3 multichromes, but I kind of wish there was more. Kind of wish there was 6. That's just a critique. It's not something that I'm gonna hold against the palette. One thing I will say that might be a make or break for some of y'all, I know a lot of people do take this into account, so I am gonna mention it. There is a lot of kickback. Like when you dip into these shadows in terms of the mattes, you are gonna see powder flying everywhere onto the palette, but do not worry, that does not translate onto the face. So if you do your face prior to your eyeshadow, it shouldn't be a problem for you. I do my eyeshadow before face all the time. But that's something I did want to mention. Other than that, I don't really have cons for this other than the price. I don't think I would have purchased it if it was $129, to be real with y'all. I did purchase it because I have 20% off for the Rouge sale, so that is why I purchased it. I was like, yo, I can get this for $110, might as well get it. So that was my mentality on purchasing this palette, but I do not regret it and I am not going to return it, so I'm very happy with my purchase. And that is all I have for y'all today. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.